Hey everyone, back again, up in town now. Quite busy today actually as well. Got this nice sweet shop here. They do some big bags of sweets in there with euro each. Very good bargain. Think we will probably be heading back now. Think I will try to get a few more films, then head for home. Now I had a comment on one of the videos I made the other day. Someone was moaning because I was filming the Treble apartments and they were trolling because I just went up to the gate and they were basically saying if that was Lucy she'd have took you right in. Well, of course she will, because she asks permission from the owner, for one. For two, if I'd done that, I'd be copying Lucy. I'd be copying her videos, which will mean you lot moan even more. Three, I'm not that big a YouTuber yet. I think hotels won't really want someone like me going around filming them, because I haven't really got as big a following as Lucy. And I mean, I've got nothing against Lucy. I think she is one of the best YouTubers here in Benidorm. I have always said that. Her information's very good, her videos are very good as well. And I wish her all the best for the future. I hope her channel continues to keep growing, guys. Hopefully my channel keeps continuing to grow. I've noticed something lately since more people are coming up from England. I am getting recognised a hell of a lot more. And I hope more of you are able to come out now. The restrictions are changing. Shout out to George and Sue. Met them yesterday in the White Star Bar. Thanks for the drink, guys. Another shout out goes out to Alison Brooks and her husband. Nice to see you guys. Hope you've had a safe flight home. Stay safe. Hope to see you in Benidorm soon. think that's all the shout outs for now, unless I think of more. Shout out goes to my beautiful girlfriend Sandra McCourt. Hope to see her over here very soon. It will be my absolute honour to take you on a tour of the beautiful Benidorm and show you around. Think I will maybe try to cut off onto the fantasy front in a minute now, guys, just show you how busy it is. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel as well for more videos of Benidorm. And remember as well, I will be back with the live streams very soon. Think it will be the first Tuesday in November. The live streams will make a return. We have just kind of had a break from them because of all the stress. But don't worry guys, that doesn't mean we will never do a live stream ever again. You just have to wait till November to see us again. Down here on the Fantasy beachfront now, and it is quite busy today down here. The beach is quite packed, and it is good to see. Now something I haven't seen for ages, the sand sculptures. Benidorm's back. Must be quite hot for them. Gonna end this one here, guys. Love you all. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.